afternoon to all my students. Myself Dr. Abhay, reader in Zoology, Republic College, Bhareswar. Welcome to my online class. Today's my topic is mitosis, cell division. Mitosis. This is meant for both second semester and fourth semester. Same courses studies. So start. Mitosis. Mitosis. Okay. Cell division. Division of cell. So first question comes, what is cell? So cell is the structural and functional unit of life of the organism. Normally in multicellular organisms there are two types of cells, somatic cells and germ cells. So somatic cells confined to all of the body organs. The germ cells are confined to only the reproductive organs, testes and ovary. So most of the somatic cells are exclusively divides under this mitotic cell division, that is mitosis. So what is mitosis? Mitosis is a complicated process in which one cell divides into two equal cells having the same number of chromosomes as parent cells. The equal division, mitosis. And start. Mitosis, it has two subphases known as karyokinesis. Number one, karyokinesis, cytokinesis. Karyokinesis, that is nuclear division of nucleus, nuclear division, the division of nucleus. Then cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. Next, karyokinesis, division of nucleus, cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. Nucleus. So then karyokinesis. So karyokinesis, division of nucleus. This again divided into subphases, four subphases. Number one, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Karyokinesis divided into four subphases. Karyokinesis, division of nucleus. Start prophase. First phase, prophase, metaphase is in an initial stage. Metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Start prophase. First phase. In this phase, the events sequence of events continuously taking place. The first, the division of disappearance of nuclear membrane and the nucleolus. Start. Then chromatin materials become condensed, water loss, losing water, becoming shortened, thickening, coiling of occurs, chromatic materials distinct. These chromatic materials become, and the two centrioles centrosome divided into two centrioles radiating astral rays and spindle fibers and move towards the each pole each pole. Then chromatic materials, chromosomes, nuclear membrane, nucleus starts disappearing. Then centrosome divided into two centrioles and move towards each pole, and astral rays and spindle fibers are radiating from each other. This is the prophase of mitosis, cell division, centriole, esters, chromosome, stars. This is prophase. Then metaphase. Metaphase. In metaphase, these chromosomes are arranged in a equatorial line, equators, same plane equatorial lines. Then two centrioles reach at each pole, radiating spindle fibers and astral rays. Astral rays. The longer chromatids present at the edge of the nuclear fiber and sort of at the point middle toward the equatorial line, and the centromere at the middle point of the chromosome. The centromere attached to the spindle fibers. In very short time taking. This is all about metaphase. Then anaphase. Anaphase. Here at the point, the anaphase, the chromosomes so at the anaphase, this the chromosomes get longitudinally splitted. This longitudinally splitted, and the centromere longitudinally splitted, and a repulsive force starts at the middle. And the repulsive force starts at the middle. The centromere divides longitudinally, and by the stretching action of the spindle fibers, by the stretching action of the spindle fiber and by the repulsive force develops at the middle of the centromere, and the centromere divides longitudinally, then two daughters, the chromatids, are stretched, pulled towards each pole, and becoming V-shaped. If there is a thread, if we kept it middle and pull towards it, this thread becoming such type, V-shaped. It's a thread. So if you put at the middle and pull, then it will become V-shaped. So here, this V-shaped by the stretching action of the spindle fiber and by the repulsive force develops at the middle of the centromere, then this longitudinal splitted chromosomes get pulled towards each pole and becoming V-shaped. So this is anaphase. Again, telophase, last phase. Last phase, the point, these chromosomes reach at the pole, and a nuclear membrane forms around this group of the chromosomes. A nucleus again reappear, nucleus and nuclear membrane again reappear at each pole. This chromosomes becomes uncoiled, thin and longer, just opposite to the prophase. At the prophase, there disappears the nuclear membrane and nucleus get disappeared, but again reappeared here. Then these chromatin materials condensed here. These chromosomes are decondensed, water adding. Then again these chromosomes again they decondense, and there is in prophase the chromosomes become shorter and thicker. Here there is thinner and longer, become just opposite to the prophase. And here this nuclear membrane forms is at the two phase. This first phase karyokinesis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Then come to cytokinesis, cytoplasmic division. Then again after nucleus divided into two nuclei, and the cytoplasm again takes a furrow made at the middle furrow. This furrow becomes repairing, and this and again touch at the middle, forming two cells at the point, again becoming two cells, cytoplasm. This is cytokinesis. Each cell, from one cell we will get two cells having the same number of chromosomes. Here's 4, there is 4 and 4, same number of chromosomes. This helps in both only growth and development of the body, the somatic cells. All about very easy, and topics very so easy. Thank you all. This is all about mitosis, cell division, somatic.